Hi, organic flowers, do they exist? Are they real? Can you get them? I hear a lot about organic flowers. Everybody wants to save the earth. Well, I've been doing flowers for over 30 years. I've designed schools around the country, in fact, some in Europe. And I'm asked that question all the time. Especially younger kids are all concerned about being biodegradable and saving the planet. So the truth is, no, there aren't really organic flowers. There are a few farms scattered around that grow organic product. But the problem is you can't really find organic flowers in the supplies and numbers you need to pull off your wedding or an event, etc. Unless you've got an organic farm down the road and it's blooming the exact flowers you need for your look, for your wedding. So the truth is, as of yet, no, there's not a large offering of organic flowers. The rest of the flowers you buy are commercially grown by growers who use science and years of study to grow perfect flowers that last, ship well, great color, durability, and those are the ones you're going to get 95% of the time. So I hope to see the future of organic flowers growing. I don't know if it's possible. I'm not a farmer, I'm not a scientist, but as of yet, you can't find them. I've looked for them. People have requested them, and it's just not on the market yet. You're going to have to stick with the flowers you can pick up because you need the right flowers for the right job. And if you're going to rely on flower farms to supply them, hopefully you're getting married on April 14th when their gladiolas are blooming. And also, you know, if they're growing organically, no pesticides, no nothing, it's more difficult to get the right flowers looking really perky and beautiful, and so there's obstacles. Bottom line is, no, we don't have a lot of organic flowers at the moment. If you know where to find organic flowers in abundance, comment below. If you like what I've said and want to learn more, follow us below. And I am Michael Gaffney, Instagram, and my website is www.flowerschool101.com. You can see all the classes I host around the world, and the author of 3 books mentioning organic flowers in one of them. So I'm Michael Gaffney telling you to keep blooming.